Are you bored of making same hairstyles one day after the another day? Now you want some crisp in your hairstyle. So we are here again welcoming you all to some interesting hairstyling video tutorial. You are going to learn some innovative hairstyles, some unique hairstyles that will make you look stand out from the crowd. So let's get started. You have to make braids like this and taking your extra hair out and roll it into the form of a bun like this. Isn't it looking pretty? Again, take some partitions in the hair like this and make a braid like this by taking small partitions in the hair in this form. Keep on making a zigzag pattern in this way and till the end you will get a beautiful lovely result like this. Again, twist your hair in this way, twist your hair back and forth and take some extra hair out so as to give it a little messy look to make it look even more unique and classy. Now in the braid you have to take the hair out and secure with the help of your clutches and beads. So just grab all your hair accessories which are your favorite and try them on your own. And here's again we are taking some hair out and securing with the help of clutches will give your hair a different yet classy look. You are going to look unique. Now what are we going to do? Just keep on making these patterns, twisting the hair back and forth, rolling it in this way in the form of a beautiful lovely bun, and this is the result. Again take some hair out to give it a little messy look and again make some braid like this and roll it in this way and secure with the help of your clutches. Now by taking small thin partitions, make these lovely zigzag patterns and secure with the help of a rubber band, and with the extra hair you have to make a bun like this. Now take thick rubber bands like this of any color whichever you want and roll it into the form of a bun, secure with the help of pins, and then with the extra hair you have to interlock it with the help of lovely clip. Now what are we going to do? You have to make a plait like this. Take the hairs out in this way to give it a messy look and then secure with the clutches, and with the extra hair left on either side you have to roll it into the form of this, and with this you will get a beautiful lovely result. Proceeding further in the video, let's see what lovely unique hairstyles are we going to get now. Now twist your hair in this way back and forth and hide it in this way, and with the help of a lovely rubber band like this secure your hair. Now make a ponytail like these and give your hair a little messy look by taking the hairs out and make a ponytail and secure with the help of your clutches into the form of a bun. Now what are we going to make? Twist your hair in this way back and forth, take the hairs out to give it a little unique look, and then make pleats like this on either side. Take the hairs out, repeat the same on another side as well. Twist your hair in this way from one side to another in a zigzag pattern. Now convert your ponytail into the big bouncy looking bun like this, and you will get a lovely beautiful round bun by securing it with the help of clips or clutches, whatever you like. Again we are going to make something interesting. Twist your hair in this way back and forth and then roll your hair into the form of a bun with the help of lovely clutches. Again take your hair out and taking partitions in the hair, make two pleats like this and take your hair out and then roll your hair from one side to another and secure with the help of clutches. Again twist your hair like this and take some extra hair out so as to give it a little messy look to make it look even more unique and classy.